What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're making a beat. Now, before we even get started, I just want to say thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I think I passed that sometime last weekend. I know 1,000 isn't a crazy number, but that means that there's 1,000 of you out there who enjoy my content and find enough value in it to keep coming back. So for that, I am beyond grateful. Now, I promise you guys, we're only getting started, but again, thank you for supporting me and thank you for supporting the channel. But all right, so this weekend I actually went out to Orlando. I went to meet up with some friends, some fellow producers, and primarily we went to work on a project that we will soon disclose, but I also wanted to take advantage of our time to see if we could collab on a beat, and that is exactly what we did. So this is the outcome of it. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. All right, so we got a sample pulled up. I'm gonna play it for you guys first. All right, so we got a pad that I pulled up from Expand. Here we go.
Yeah, so we got that bounce like that. Oh, that bounce sounds good. All right, guys, so I have all the drums here now, the kick, the snare, the hi-hats, and the 808. So this is what it sounds like all together. Woo. Ooh. Ooh.
All right, so the beat is finished. Let's go ahead and see what we did. So the first thing that was up was a sample, and that was this here. The next thing we did was I added an ARP from Expand, and that was this here. Then Mason went ahead and added some counter leads. So then we got this. Next up was PLVYHAUS, and he went in here and he added the drums. So then we get this here. And last but not least, we had Saint come in and he added a Vox, and then he actually arranged the whole thing, and the whole beat together now sounds like this. Now there you have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that beat. Whenever it's finished and mixed, I'm going to link it down below. But a huge shout out to PLVYHAUS, Saint Lerez, and Mason James for not only hanging out with me this weekend, but also participating in this video. I'm also going to link their social media handles down below, so give them a follow. But again, that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video if you liked it. Subscribe if you're not already. But I will see you guys on the next one.